India's opposition Congress party has demanded the resignation of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, accusing him of misleading Parliament over Indian military casualties during the 2025 May conflict with Pakistan. The criticism follows the Indian government's first official disclosure of 6 armed forces personnel who died during what New Delhi called Operation Sindoor. The names were recently added to the Roll of Honour on India's National War Memorial website. According to India's media, this was the first official confirmation of military deaths from the conflict period.
Any minister who is present on the forum of the parliament cannot mislead the facts, cannot lie to the parliament. In this, Rajnath Singh ji, defence minister only, told that nobody killed in Sindoor. Nobody. But the government only mentioned 6 names now. I mentioned all the names in the notice. Completely misguiding the parliament. Completely lying to the parliament. This is a clear case of privilege. That's why I moved a privilege motion against Rajnath Singh ji to the Speaker of the House.
Congress leaders have accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government of concealing the deaths for more than a year. At a press conference, retired Colonel Rohit Chaudhary, who chairs the Congress ex-servicemen department, demanded that Rajnath Singh be removed as defence minister. He also said Modi and the BJP lawmakers should apologize for backing what he described as the minister's false claims.
कि पहली डिमांड हमारी ये है कि राजनाथ सिंह जी ने संसद में झूठ बोला है। संसद में झूठ बोलने के कारण उनको तुरंत प्रभाव से रक्षा मंत्री के पद से हटाया जाए, या अगर हटते नहीं हैं तो उनका रेजिग्नेशन लिया जाए। अगर रेजिग्नेशन नहीं लिया जाता, नहीं देते हैं तो उनको हटाया जाए। दूसरा, ब्रीच ऑफ प्रिविलेज मोशन उनके खिलाफ लाया जाए ताकि एक एग्जाम्पलरी पनिशमेंट हो। हमारे देश में कोई दोबारा से संसद में गलत बयानी ना कर सके, क्योंकि संसद में जो बात कही जाती थी उसको पार्लियामेंट्री लैंग्वेज कहा जाता था, और कोई दूसरी बात कोई बाहर जाके कोई कहता था तो कहते थे अनपार्लियामेंट्री लैंग्वेज है। तो ये इस पार्लियामेंट में झूठ बोलने का अधिकार किसी को नहीं है। मोदी जी और उनकी पूरी कैबिनेट को इस ताली बजाने के प्रकरण में साथ देने में, राजनाथ सिंह जी का झूठ बोलते हुए साथ देने में, उनसे सबके सामने पब्लिकली माफी मांगी जाए, संसद में माफी मांगी जाए कि हमसे गलती हुई है। और जो नेशनल सिक्योरिटी जो कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो रही है अग्निवीर योजना के कारण, अग्निवीर योजना पूरी तरह से खत्म की जाए। राहुल गांधी जी, कांग्रेस पार्टी, खड़गे जी वचनबद्ध है कि जिस दिन भी हमारी सरकार बनेगी अग्निवीर योजना को पूरी तरह से खत्म करेंगे। ये फौज की का मोराल अप करने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है। इसलिए अग्निवीर योजना शहीदों में, सैनिकों में भेदभाव करती है। भेदभावपूर्ण योजना को खत्म होना चाहिए।
Congress has alleged that Singh told Parliament no Indian soldier had been lost during the conflict. The party says this amounts to misleading the House. Congress MP K.C. Venugopal has now sought privilege proceedings against Singh, writing to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. He argued that if a minister withholds information or misleads Parliament, it constitutes a breach of privilege. The Indian Defence Ministry has rejected the allegation. It says Singh's remarks were being misrepresented and that he was responding specifically to claims that Indian Air Force pilots had been killed during Operation Sindoor. The controversy comes more than a year after India and Pakistan fought a 4-day military conflict in May 2025. The escalation began when New Delhi accused Islamabad of involvement in April 2022's Pahalgam attack in occupied Kashmir, which killed 26 people. Pakistan strongly rejected the allegation and said India had provided no evidence. India then suspended the Indus Water Treaty and later launched overnight airstrikes on Pakistan on May 6. Pakistan retaliated, saying its air force had shot down Indian fighter jets. Indian Chief of Defence Staff later acknowledged that Indian jets had been down during the conflict. After tit-for-tat strikes on each other's air bases, the two nuclear-armed neighbours reached a ceasefire on May 10th following US intervention. For India's opposition, the latest disclosure has reopened questions about transparency, accountability, and the political handling of military losses. For Pakistan, it reinforces a key point Islamabad has made since the conflict, that New Delhi's public narrative of Operation Sindoor did not fully reflect what happened on the battlefield. For more, read the Dawn story linked below.